they were not totally wrong when they said AI is gonna take our jobs. Because just look at it. Hello guys, welcome to the first part of AI battles. In this series, we'll assign different tasks to our AI champions, and based on the performance, we will decide who was the winner of this. And for the first video, we have our competitors ChatGPT and Gemini. And the task for this video is to make a portfolio website. And to keep it unbiased, we will be using Claude for generation of the prompt, which we have it ready with us. And before getting started, we'll just discuss about the metrics which we will be using to determine who is the winner. So there will be four metrics and the points which are mentioned besides them. So time is like how long did it take for the code generation. Next thing is explanation and structure. So whatever the code is generated, we'll see if the structure is pretty nice, and based on that, we'll give them the points. Then the third thing is most important, which is the visuals and the functional quality. So we'll see how attractive the website looks like. And last thing is refinement accuracy. In this one, whatever the code which is provided by the AI, we will ask them to make some modifications in the code, and then we will decide whether the requirement which we made asked, or whatever the updation we asked, is properly done by them, or it's not that good. And based on that, we'll give them a point. And whatever the points which we give them, we we can see who the winner is. So let's get started. This is our prompt. So in this prompt, we'll be asking for a simple portfolio website where the person like where the person is mentioning about different skills of them, and just a pretty basic website. So yeah, let's get started. Let's first give it to ChatGPT. Before we get started, I'm not a front-end developer, so I'm not that good at designing and website stuff. So yeah, let's see which guy performs best. Let's start with ChatGPT first. There it goes. We'll go one by one. So let's see how long ChatGPT takes to the generation of this code. And I just attach a timer so y'all can see how long it took for ChatGPT. Okay, cool. Mhm. It's giving CSS still now. I think the structure is pretty good, not that bad. We have our contact form. Then okay, it is, yeah, we want the website to be responsive as well. Okay, I think it is almost done. It almost took like a minute or so. Let me just copy the code. We'll just save it here. And now it's time for Gemini. I'll just paste this and we submit it. Okay, let's see how long does Gemini take for this. We okay, my bad. Okay, I just pasted the code. Really sorry for that. I was supposed to paste the prompt. Yeah, there it goes. And yes, let's see how long does Gemini take. Defining project scope. Okay, cool. Mhm. And yeah, also we used a pro mode for this, so I guess that's why it's taking a bit longer. But fine. I mean, that should not make more difference to it. Okay, it has started giving the code. Okay, script is given, and yes, okay. Is it done explaining the code as well? Okay, cool. This is the code given by Gemini. Let me just save it here. So based on the time, I feel ChatGPT was faster. So we'll give it 2 points, and for Gemini, we'll give it one. It wasn't that slow. I mean, but comparatively, GPT was faster. Let's see the explanation and structure. So let's see how good the codes are. I think ChatGPT was pretty decent. Like the stylings are mentioned here properly, and we asked them to give a single file because we don't want to manage different CSS file and stuff like that. So okay, I think it's pretty good. Only the structure. Let's check for Gemini. We have the scripts. So I guess it's for making the website responsive. And okay, but I can't see. Okay, okay. You can see some comments here to explain. But I think this is totally my opinion. You guys can have your own, but I think the explanations are better in case of ChatGPT compared to Gemini, like what each section defines. So I guess we'll give a 2 point for GPT here and 1 point here. Okay, this is cool. Let's get to the most important part, which is how good the website looks like. So I'll just open it in default browser. This is GPT. Okay, this is how the website is from ChatGPT. We have the landing page. Let's see if the navbar is working properly. Okay, skills section. Okay, this is also cool. This is the project section. Okay, pretty good. I mean, not bad at all. Let's see how does our Gemini looks like. Okay, I feel this color is better than, and this button is pretty nice. Like view my work. Did ChatGPT have it? No, we had to go to the project section, but here it's pretty much highlighted. Oh damn, what is this? Let's talk. And yeah, this is pretty cool. Then these resting is kind of similar. My skills section is also almost same. Yeah, I mean both of them are pretty good. In my opinion, I feel the one with Gemini gave is better than the ChatGPT one. So I'll give this guy a 4 maybe, and this guy a 2. Okay, now I'm thinking what should we ask for a change, which is our last section, which we, right now they both are on trial. So okay, based on this code, I think we can ask to add a carousel maybe and add multiple projects here and make it even better. Like we toggle like some image comes here, like random image, like whatever the project is about, and then when we hover here, like the project title and some data comes. Else if we move out, like the image comes. So I guess okay, I'll just ask you me changes in the project section, add a carousel and add some actual image to it. Then what did we want? Make it more dynamic. And what else can we ask here? I think that should be give me the entire code. So I'll just ask for the entire code because then we'll know if it is able to generate the entire code and it's easier for me to just copy and paste it. And right now for this one we won't check the time because we already saw how long they were taking. We just want to see how good the operations are. We'll just give it both and let's see how they perform. I mean this is not at all bad. Like if I personally try to make a front end website, I'll pretty much mess up, but these guys really did a good job. Okay, let them complete. They're still thinking, okay, is he done? Okay, where is our chat GPT? Okay, this is what chat GPT gave us. And okay, okay, this is nice. Not that bad, not that great, like kind of average, I can say. Okay, cool. Let's see how Gemini performed. Say, okay, this was a Gemini. I think this it messed this up a bit, or was it the same? I don't remember. But where is the project section? Oh damn! We asked for some demo images, but ChatGPT didn't bother to add them. It just added normal these things, but this guy added some images, so this is better. Okay, this image didn't load. That's fine. I mean, this is also good. So I think this also changed a bit. Not sure, but as per the updation thingy, I feel Gemini did a better job than GPT here. So let's go back. Oh, what the hell? It refreshed the page, but I guess I remember Gemini had one here. Then on structure, both of them had two. Visuals, this guy had two. This guy had four. No, wait a second. They were on tie, right? I think GPT had a better structure. This guy had one. I guess this was the scores. You all just let me know in the comment section. This I don't know why did this get refreshed. Like I didn't even use live server to open these pages. I don't know. Not sure about it. But yes, so based on the refinement accuracy, I feel Gemini did a better job than GPT. So yeah, we have our winner, Gemini. This is totally my opinion. You guys let me know in the comment section who did a better job. And in this series, we'll try to add more tasks and we will see which AI does a better job. So if you want to build a front-end website, I think Gemini will be a better option than ChatGPT. It's my opinion, but yeah, I feel like as a person who has never worked on front-end projects, I feel Gemini was doing a better job at this. I mean, I feel they were not totally wrong when they said AI is gonna take our jobs because just look at it. It's not at all bad. It's pretty decent, pretty good. And it barely took us like less than 2 minutes to do this. So yeah, please go ahead with Gemini, I'll say, for front-end website. And see you all in the next video. Like and subscribe for more videos.